Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Learn Skills TS Squared Teach, Innovate, and Inspire Presence Navodaya Coaching Series. If you do want to watch my other videos, you can open your browser, go with Learn Skills for your YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get latest information and updates. If you want to register for the Navodaya Interest Coaching long term and short term, you can do that in this particular series. But before going to that particular series of this video, let me have a small information about here. What are the different sectors trainings and coachings offer for the students, and job oriented, skill oriented courses and skill to earn programs? You can have you can mail me or you can contact me for further informations. Okay, in this particular series I'm going to present about Navodaya overviews. I would like to the parents who are watching, the parents or the students who are watching this video, it would be a brief and it would be and also a detailed information about Navodaya entrance examination, which is taken by class 5th. There are the few points which I have collected over here. Have a rough sketch over that. You can see the entrance exam will be of 2 hours, and the questions will be asked for of fifth standard. And as usual, the 100 max questions in the examination. Each question will be of 1 mark. Okay, multiple questions in the examination. Yes, it will be MCQ type, and remember that it will be in English and Hindi part. The exam center will be written on the admit card for the students. I would like to pass a small notice for the viewers who are here. Don't when you have submitted your application in your nearest centers, they might have given you some acknowledgement. Please keep the acknowledgement with you so that to get the hall ticket of the particular students. If you're missing that acknowledgement, then it's difficult to get the hall ticket for that particular student. Okay, this information I got when I submitted one of my student uh, form over to that particular center. They said that don't try to miss that admit card. If you are going to miss that acknowledgement, sorry, if you are going to miss that acknowledgement what they have provided, then it is difficult to get the admit card. Please try, be careful to keep that acknowledgement. Then in the next slide I will be explaining about syllabus and exam pattern. You can have a small overview over here. A mental ability test, it is of 50 questions, 50 marks, and you will be given 60 minutes of time. So arithmetic test, 25 questions, 25 marks, 30 minutes of time. Language test, 25 questions, 25 marks, and 30 minutes of time. Total will be of 2 hours, and the questions will be of 100 marks. Each question will be carrying 1 mark. Okay, now this is a rough sketch about the syllabus, but detailed syllabus with topics have been displayed over this slide. You can see MAT stands for mental abilities test. In 50 questions will be asking these topics like odd man out, figure matching, figure series completion. Okay, you can go through these points. And in the arithmetic test, the test will be conducted from numeric systems for fundamental operation on whole numbers, factors. It will be a fifth standard. You can see all these subtopics which are displayed over here. Then moreover, you can see that language test. Most of parents ask me, most of the students ask me about what are the language test, what they take it, what they conduct from language test. Yes, language consists of 3 passages, and they will be asked 10 questions of grammar and writing skills of students. Okay, of 3 passages. Okay, and there will be asked 10 questions of grammar. You please be concentrated towards the grammar part. They will be asking 10 questions. Okay, the next, you can see there are some useful tips to prepare, but this is a guidance for the students who are appearing for Navodaya entrance test. Okay, for the parents who are watching, it will be useful tips to them to prepare their children towards the Navodaya entrance test. Prepare a timetable of study for the test. It's as usual, understand your strength and weakness. Okay, better you know in which subject you are good, whether you are good at math or arithmetic test and language test. First go with the subject which you are good enough to complete it, because it builds a confidence in you. Okay, and don't forget to practice sample papers of previous paper. This is the most important thing. This here you are knowing, you will be knowing how and what type of questions they are going to ask. So what how much time you need to complete it. Okay, if you are going to practice these papers, then it's well and good. And see, for example, if you are allocating 4 hours for study, just give 3 hours and maybe three and a half hours for study, and remaining half an hour part for your revision basis. The revision should be in short form. Okay, now see here, according to subject wise mental ability section, why the mental ability section is taken by the conductor of examination. He will be taking because to test the mental functioning. Okay, with how he will be testing, he will be giving number of figures. See, in this he'll be giving the figures and asking you to choose a different one, and he'll be giving number of figures and he'll be asking you the particular figure which is going to be look like same. And he will be giving some figures and he will be asking you to, for example, if I'm giving some figure and I'm missing some series like 2 4 6, what would be the next one? Yeah, it like that. Okay, so it would be your uh, mental ability section. Then arithmetic section will be totally of math part. The what are the math topics? If you are good enough with this math part, that's enough for you. The language tells, so the main important thing is that better you prepare to read books and newspapers to, and also solve English comprehensions, so that you had a better practice towards it. Okay, it would be a better thing if you are good enough with that. So best of luck for all the students who are appearing for examination. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. If you can subscribe to my channel, you will get the latest information and updates. And if you want to join the entrance coaching for long term, you can call me or email me upon it.